going on, guys? Got a little tip today. Ooh, sorry, not the usual off-roading kind of stuff, but gonna show you how to find the firewall wire pass-through on MK6 Jetta specifically. I think it might be similar for the Golf and Passat as well. Probably is, but definitely the Jetta, because I'm running in some wiring for an exhaust cutout, and I could not figure out where to put the wire through. There's basically nowhere except this one spot, which is actually a factory location. So let me show you this here. So here's my Jetta. I should show you guys actually all my cars now. I only have 3, including the Jeep, and 4 counting the bike. But anyway, this is my new daily. So it's a MK6 2012 Jetta TDI 6-speed. So I got it actually just over a month ago. I put in, you can't really see it, but there's the frost heaters right down there, that shiny guy. So here's the plug. It's got some water in it, but yeah, it's my frost heater. It's great. I had 1 cold day so far, but I use it almost every morning before work just to get it warmed up. Helps save on fuel a little bit since it doesn't have to warm up as driving and use extra fuel. It's also just nice to have the heat. So I got it all tinted, 5% in the rear, 18% on the front 2 windows, 5 on the windshield strip. Got her all waxed up. Anyway, so, I did a DPF delete too, so that's part of the project I'm doing here. So, I'm also trying to see how different of fuel economy I can get with the new delete and the tune. I don't want to disconnect the battery because it'll reset the computer and everything else. So I just don't want to do that. So took the intake out. Intake's there. It's pretty straightforward. And then I just move the battery forward to get room to get to the wire pass through. Okay, so like I said, the intake's out. Battery, mine actually wasn't even held down, but I mean, it should be. It wasn't tight, I guess. I don't know. So you have to take that bolt out or loosen it. And then I kind of just pulled this guy loose from this clip. And then you can just slide it forward. I could probably go further. Now, if you're disconnecting the battery, you don't really care. Just take it out. Take the ground off the body here. You'll make some more room for yourself. Had to pull this off too. And this clip was on this stud back here somewhere. Take that clip off counterclockwise, just like a nut, essentially. So now we have behind the insulation here. I'm gonna take you down. Yeah, there we go. So there's where the wire harness goes through the firewall. And those little nipple guys, come on. Yeah. I guess those are where you're supposed to put wires through. So I'll cut one of the nipples off there and slide. I just have one small wire to push through there. So I'll show you that, and then hopefully I can find it on the other side and pull it through. Alright, so this is actually a lot easier than I expected. So I got a little piece of metal I had laying around. I stuck it through the hole. Jesus. Alright, see? Goes through the hole. Come on. Yeah, I just stuck it in. After I snipped the nipple off. Just to see what happened. It went right in. Yeah. There we go. Came right through. So I'll stick my wire through. I'll run it up and around, up through here to my switch underneath this guy. Okay, so I'm actually gonna use this to pull the wire through. So I just, use one of these guys on here from some bread or something, whatever. I was gonna use a zip tie so it actually won't come off. So this should hold though, that should be fine. But I don't have many zip ties left, just trying to conserve them for now. And then it goes to my wire here. So I'll just anchor through. It is pissing out there. All right. Uh-oh. Where'd it go? Oh, there it is. So let's see what happens. Come on. Don't want it to come off. Ooh, there we go. Sweet. So there's my trigger wire for the relay. I'll get the relay set up somewhere in here.